morning, everybody. Today we are here at Sugarland for our dragon boat race. While we are waiting for everybody to start setting up and get into their boats, I am Brianna Almazan.
I'm Christian Acosta. Welcome to Phoenix Radio.
So, everybody's getting ready, set up, and it's 60 degrees in the morning.
It is currently about 10:44. The race was supposed to begin at 12:40, but right now we're a little bit behind. But looking at the team right now, what do you think of how they're doing? They're right there in the middle.
Well, so far they look pretty decent, but they could do better.
Do you think coordination is going to be a hard problem for them in this race?
During our practices, it was more easier, but since they're in the water, it can actually be more difficult because we haven't practiced in the water.
Well, yes, that was the difficulty last year. Reminding you of last year's stats, brought to you by the StatCast at Phoenix Radio. What we had was a third place last year with times averaging 2.5 minutes. And a problem with that was the discoordination between the team. This year they're hoping to fix that and average a time of 2 minutes. That is the goal.
Since it's mostly females, I'm pretty sure we got this. Females rock, my dude.
Of course, female power. You saw the breast cancer awareness race earlier, and of course the honor for those who passed. What did you think?
It was very nice. I actually enjoyed it. I usually don't enjoy stuff like this, but it was actually very nice. I enjoyed it. There was a little drone flying around and recording everything. It was very nice.
All right, and we're excited to begin here. You're listening to the Dragon Boat Regatta 2019 on Phoenix Radio.
Sports on Phoenix Radio. Tune in for many of the most awesome highlights and get caught up with the game. Only here on Phoenix Radio. Also tune into other aspects of Phoenix Radio, such as the news segment on Tales from the Phoenix Nest, entertainment segments brought to you exclusively by the students of HICE, and many, many more. This is your Phoenix Radio.
Since everybody's already getting into their places, can I just say this water feels great?
Yes, it's a beautiful day out here. For those of you who are following the weather channel on Phoenix Radio, the other day it was a cool front came in and it dropped the temperatures to 50 on Friday, and it was beautiful coming out and made it perfect for today's race.
It was cold.
Also, the flowers that are going down just seem so beautiful.
Oh, they really
Yes, that was from the breast cancer awareness race that we were talking about earlier.
Oh,
And here's the race starting. Alrighty, they're beginning to row, and we're looking at some great
it looks like
racers.
HICE is in the lead at the moment, while our rivals in the red are coming up.
Alrighty. We're beginning cheering here on Phoenix Radio. This is the first radio coverage of a HICE event. The commentary here is great. Oh, look at them. Right now they're neck and neck with the leaders right now.
They are not in sync.
Here they come. Alrighty, and it's time to be in commentary. Brianna, take over real quick.
Okay, right now the red team is in their way, but we are not in sync. I'm about to go I'm about to free because we're in second place. At least we're not third place like last year. Epic fail.
No third place. There's only 2 places.
Oh.
There is a third place. Look at the back.
Oh.
Can I just say that this red team is in sync?
Get ready for it.
Nope. Everybody's not in sync. I don't like this. Everybody needs to get their life straight out.
Start going 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wow, Christian Acosta, you're helping me.
Together, let's go, together.
They look so tired.
Keep up with Alejandra. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2.
David seems to be the only one in sync with Alejandra right now.
Come on,
Well, some of them are in sync with the person in front of them. They are not in sync with Alejandra and Tia. While Tia and Alejandra are in sync, everybody else seems to be doing their own thing. While they should be doing actually what the people in front should be doing. This is not okay. I am not feeling this. If they don't get their life straight out, I will literally die. Well, we are coming in second place. The red team has already won. but we're like gaps away.
Yeah.
We have lost this race, sadly. We are in second place and there's no coming back from it. But it's okay because there are more races to be ahead. We will take first place next time. This is Phoenix Radio.
Secrets are meant to be told in whispers. But one thing that's not secret is that Student Council is the very best at ICE. To check out Student Council, come to any of the meetings that happen every 2 weeks. Student Council, is it a secret? Is it not? The world may never know.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and they are off. The heist boat being led by its drummer, Christian Acosta. They're leaving the starting point now. It's a bit difficult to see with the sun and whatnot, but they seem to be moving. This distance, it is indeed difficult to tell what is happening. Oh, and they draw near. So it looks like things are going well. They seem to be having a bit of a distance. So it looks like they're coming in. They're a bit further behind than the other boats, but that's alright. There seems to be a tad bit of desynchronization in the back, but they march forward. And they are making way. But overall, they do seem to be more synchronized than previously. They are nearing the end. More synchronized than when they started off. They are getting quite close to the finish now. A lot more synchronization than beginning. And they are now crossing the threshold. So it would seem that they did quite better than the previous run, which I believe they said was to be 3 minutes and 45 seconds. This was only about 3 minutes. So that is an improvement. And they rolling their bay back to the base over there. They seem to be quite synchronized now.
You just tuned in to Dragon Boat Regatta 2019 on Heist 181.0 Phoenix Radio. If you like what you hear, don't be afraid to leave a like down below and subscribe and comment for more great content. This is your Phoenix Radio. The post-game show will be posted starting on Thursday right here on the sports section of Phoenix Radio. We thank you for joining us for today's broadcast.